ATX Motherboards provide standardized layout, ample expansion slots, better airflow, and compatibility, enabling powerful, upgradable, and stable desktop computer builds. My today's video is about top 5 best ATX motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte Motherboard. This AM4 motherboard strikes an excellent balance between performance, stability, and future-ready connectivity for Ryzen-based builds. With support for Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors, it offers a versatile upgrade path for both gamers and creators. The digital twin 10 plus 3-phase VRM design, paired with premium chokes and capacitors, delivers clean and consistent power, ensuring reliable performance even under heavy workloads or overclocking. Thermal management is thoughtfully engineered through enlarged VRM heat sinks and high-quality 5W/MK thermal pads, keeping temperatures in check during sustained use. The pre-installed I/O shield simplifies installation and gives the board a polished, premium feel. Memory performance is equally impressive, with 4 DDR4 DMM slots and AMD Expo support enabling higher speeds and tighter timings. Modern connectivity options like PCIe 4.0, dual M.2 slots, Wi-Fi 6, and USB 3.2 Type-C make it well-equipped for fast storage, networking, and peripherals, creating a robust, well-rounded foundation for any high-performance PC. Now our second product is ASUS TUF Motherboard. This motherboard feels purpose-built for the next wave of high-performance and AI-driven PCs. With native support for AMD's AM5 platform and Ryzen 7000, 8000, and upcoming 9000 series processors, it offers impressive forward compatibility. The robust 14 plus 2 plus 1 phase power design, using 88 DRMOS stages, ensures exceptionally stable voltage delivery, even under heavy AI workloads or aggressive overclocking. Its 8-layer PCB and premium components add to long-term reliability and thermal efficiency. Storage performance is equally future-proof thanks to a PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot alongside 2 PCIe 4.0 slots, all protected by effective heat sinks to prevent throttling. Connectivity is a standout. Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, PCIe 5.0x16 for next-gen GPUs, and both rear and front high-speed USB-C options, plus Thunderbolt header support. Overall, it's a forward-looking, feature-rich foundation for anyone building a cutting-edge AI or enthusiast desktop. Our third product is ASRock Motherboard. This motherboard delivers a future-proof foundation for modern AMD builds, pairing broad Ryzen 7000 to 9000 series support with genuinely robust engineering. The 8 plus 2 plus 1 Dr. MOS power design provides clean, stable delivery to the CPU, translating into consistent performance under heavy multi-core loads and dependable headroom for tuning. DDR5 support pushes memory speeds into extreme territory, making it ideal for creators and competitive gamers who benefit from high bandwidth and low latency. The inclusion of PCIe 5.0 for both the primary GPU slot and a Gen 5X4 M.2 drive ensures compatibility with next-generation graphics cards and ultra-fast NVMe storage, while additional M.2 and SATA ports cover expansive storage setups. Thermal considerations are well handled thanks to the dedicated M.2 bottom heatsink that prevents SSD throttling. Finally, onboard HDMI and DisplayPort add flexibility for integrated graphics use, rounding out a balanced, forward-looking platform. Now number 4, MSI Motherboard. This motherboard is a powerhouse for modern Intel systems, supporting 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core, Pentium, and Celeron processors via the LGA 1700 socket. Its support for DDR4 memory ensures both speed and flexibility, making it ideal for multitasking and gaming. The Core Boost technology stands out with its premium layout and digital power design, efficiently managing more cores to deliver smoother and higher performance under heavy workloads. Memory Boost further enhances the system by ensuring pure, stable data signals, maximizing memory performance while improving stability and compatibility across modules. A notable feature is the steel armor reinforcement for VGA cards, which prevents bending and shields against electromagnetic interference, ensuring both durability and reliable graphics performance. Together, these features create a robust platform that balances high-speed computing, stability, and long-term reliability, making it a compelling choice for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking a dependable and future-proof motherboard. And our last choice is ASUS ProArt Motherboard. This motherboard is built for the next era of AI-powered computing, engineered to handle the most demanding AI applications with ease. Featuring the Intel LGA 1851 socket, it supports Intel Core Ultra Series 2, 9, 7, and 5 desktop processors, ensuring cutting-edge performance. Its robust 16 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 power stages, ProCool 2 connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors provide rock-solid stability and efficiency under heavy workloads. Future-proof connectivity includes dual Thunderbolt 5 and a Thunderbolt 4 port, 10 gigabits and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, Wi-Fi 7, dual PCIe 5.0 slots for next-gen GPUs, plus multiple M.2 slots and a USB 20 gigabit per second front panel header, catering to creators and gamers alike. Exclusive AI technologies: AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking 2, AI Advisor, and NPU Boost optimize performance automatically. DIY-friendly features like Q-Release, Q-Latch, BIOS Flashback, and Q-Antenna Simplify upgrades. Coupled with ProArt Creator Hub and advanced security via ASUS Control Center Express, this motherboard blends unmatched performance, creativity, and protection for a future-ready system. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.